People, welcome back to the channel. As you know, it's the channel with the most vibes, Jamaica Vibes Entertainment TV. Well, people, if you have checked in, you know you see the thumbnail, I know you see the title. Yes, and I know that's why you are here. So people, I got an exclusive phone conversation that I personally have with one of Mavado's friends who I know personally for years. Now the reason for me to speak to this person is because I got a phone call from someone else on the ground in Jamaica. Just I say, Jamaica vibes, I say it look like police them they out at Manly Airport. I wait to see if them I say Mavado forward with you. I say, yeah man, I say I'll undercover out there too and thing. I say what? So I tell him, say boy, I make a reach out to somebody I know up on the ground personally and things. So people, but before we get into the phone conversation, please I ask watch this video in its entirety because you don't want to miss anything, okay? Please give this video a like, thump up the like button for me people. If you haven't said subscribe to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Turn the notification bell on all so every time we upload a video, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay? Alright. Now people, we don't know everything we are going with Mavado. It's right now. See me I say? Ever since his son Dante got released, and everything, see people I say Mavado, see people vloggers posting Mavado in Jamaica, Mavado return to Jamaica and Ray, all sort of thing, all type of vloggers were saying. But if you go on my channel people and check out the thing that I did with Mavado, you could see where I personally advised Mavado in that video not to return to Jamaica right now because you never know what the police them up to, and so said, so done. Okay, so make we get into the thing. Alright people, on the screen right now I'm showing you the article from the Jamaica Gleaner. Sorry for the cutoff thing. I'm gonna really go read word for word what the Gleaner say. If you want to see that, then go up on the Gleaner website and read it for yourself. But basically, the warrant for Mavado is still active. The warrant for Mavado is still active. And based on the extradition treaty that Jamaica has with the United States, it might be a possibility, say, if Mavado get picked up in the United States for any little thing, it might get extradited back to Jamaica. But that's not what we are here to speak on at this moment, my people. We're going to look into the thing as far as the case, okay? Now, the meat of the matter is, at the time, if not for only remember, say, when the incident occurred, I say, it was reported that, Mavado must say it slap up somebody, I say, box them up or whatever and thing, and the person left and go back for a so-called machine and must say it come, like 2 pieces off of Mavado and him run on them like a thing there, and it is said that Mavado went to the police station and report the incident, and right after that Mavado flash left Jamaica. So me I say, if not for owner it'll keep up with the case, I don't know what I talk about, okay? And ever since that time Mavado hasn't returned back to Jamaica people because they don't know, like the police them really want to hold on him for whatever reason. Now moving forward in today's date, my people, you see where it come out say the warrant is still active, me I say people, and like me say Mavado, I hope you take my advice if you're able to see this video. Don't go Jamaica right now, because them out there wait for you. So me I say, yeah, them out there wait for you, golly God. Me I say, yeah, it's basically an assault charge that you have pending. Now my advice to you is seek legal counsel in the United States, get the best advice that's possible, and You know, man, say if you're liars, them over here can reach out to the authorities in Jamaica to really get to the meat of the matter and find a way to resolve this before you set foot back on that island, regardless of how bad you want to see your son. Feel me up here, sir, my brother? Yeah, that's all me have to say to you. Don't go Jamaica until you know exactly what's going on. God, this is very serious. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, people, if you reach this far in the video, you know, people, just remember to give this video a like, you know, people. Please give this video a like so YouTube could send this video out to more people like myself. I'm asking them to share the video, people. Share the video so other people can get this information and understand where really are going. Now, like I said, people, I had to reach out to my source and the source on the ground in Jamaica to get this exclusive phone conversation that you'll only hear on Jamaica Vibes Entertainment TV. Like I said, the channel with the most vibes. So I said, people, so as long as you don't have an overall basis where the case is, if you don't know, like I say, you can read up in the Gleaner or whatever, you know what I say? But, you know, make we get to the phone conversation right now, my people. And like I said, give this video a thumbs up. Yeah. So I go on a yard with the singer. You don't know, me have to call you to get the information what I go on down there. You know. Give me some of the rundown what I go on. You
know, it's through the man son free up man, them up and stop me for calling a whole off what the man got this street. So a long time them they say them have something for him, but them have for him a joke thing, brother.
Okay. Cause me see we come out in the Gleaner. Like the man we must say fire corner for him and where him must say like, you know, the gully guard must say slap him up and them thing there, you know what I say? What you hear about that?
Well, you the youngster too, I know in there, see me?
Okay, for real?
Yeah, so probably I just him just got if him do report it, probably I just precaution, you see? That would appear that something could have reached him and he just got reported in terms of say it's not to reach him.
Okay.
Him cover himself or if him do not him cover himself, you see?
Okay, so him a play smart then. Boy, me as a police must be all out the airport. From Dante get released. The man them here say Mavado must have fly come to Jamaica. Me say them there at the airport, my brother.
But that a simple squad still, you see me?
Okay, so that it'll get resolved.
Yeah, the youth a gangster, I'm a gangster, so a simple talk over thing that you see.
Okay.
I'm gonna go that right this. More than him reach out to the youth and say and them just squash it right they say, you see me, because the two of them come from said place, you know.
Okay.
You see me? So the vibes are enough vibes if we're gonna know about right, they say, you see?
True that. You don't know.
You make peace real one.
Okay. Well, you don't know enough.
I think that from 2018 if you know me, I say, you see me?
Yeah, but a long time that's what I say still, you know what I say? I just show it him name surf up back in the media since Dante get released, all type of thing I go on, you know, so you don't know me have to reach out to you to give me a little info I go on the ground, you don't know what I say?
Yeah, man.
Alright, go and hold it down, my brother, just hold it down and be safe out there, yeah? Alright, bless up.
Yeah.
Well, people, when you hear the phone conversation, so may I say, take it for what it is. That's my real source on the ground. One thing about Jamaica Vibes, we have sources all over in many places, my people. So this is no cap or waiver, you know what I say? Now the reason why the phone conversation wasn't extensive and thingy, people, because before I start record, the G, me know say, I'm kind of busy still, and have things I do. So I just tell him, say, alright, just give me a little rundown with the thing, cause me want to make him know, say, me go put it on my channel, and and him agree with that, people. So, me I say, him say me can reach out back to him further down in the week, and then give me some more, me I say, info based on certain things where him know, cause like me say, them man they been around the G, me I say, for years, and that's a personal source of mine, personally, me I say, people. But like me say, people, I hope Mavado just look into everything where I go on, and like me say, don't force himself to go to Jamaica or whatever. Well, we don't know the Gully God. Now go really do that still, cause I'm not a fool, me I say, people. Yeah, I'm not a fool, and if I was in that same situation, also my people, me that easy myself and Ray, me I say, make sure me know what I'm going, or make a link from Dante can free up and fly, go somewhere else and go meet him at one of them small island there and thing and link up back with my son if I was in that position. But people, please leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think of everything that you have heard so far. Me I say, and if you have watched the video in its entirety, much big up to yourself. Me I say, so please leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think of this whole Mavado situation, and please, people, share this video to more people like yourself. Me I say, give this video a like. The more like the video get, is the more YouTube is going to push this video out there to more people such as yourself. Me I say, people, and with that, people, as you know, I always say, walk good, talk good, live good, and we see you in the next video. See you. Have a blessed day.